guys, I got this.
You know it's time to upgrade your air compressor systems when your boss comes running out of his office to help recover from an event that made all your machines alarm out due to low air pressure. Now honestly, that was partly my fault because I was not well versed in air compressed systems, and I had a hard time relying on what every sales guy said I needed to get our system back to where it needed to be. So after doing a ton of research, we made the decision to go with Atlas Copco's variable speed air compressor system.
Atlas Copco, GA22 VSDs.
So compared to our old fixed speed compressor system, this thing's sexy and badass. I got even more excited about our decision after the installation tech came in and started to admire some of the new features that he hadn't even seen on this new model yet. This system is an integrated all-in-one unit that supplies air to our entire facility. It's compact, it can go anywhere in your facility, it has a built-in air dryer, moisture collector, and additional cooling fans to help prevent it from getting too hot. The technology is the latest and greatest, including wireless connectivity to help support smart Industry 4.0 technologies. You can see remote activity, you can monitor and manage this unit just like you can any other machine in the shop. One of the main selling points of this unit is how efficient it actually is. Variable speed drive, oil-cooled motor drive system, filtered inlet air system, as well as minimal heat generation through high efficiency cooling and very low maintenance requirements. This unit also has a feature called Turbo Flow Mode. This is a badass feature that when you have an event in your shop that has a sudden surge in air demand, this can react and recover your system very quickly. If you decide to put this system on your shop floor near your equipment, there is one con that we have about it. It's not visual, it's not how it performs, it's how it sounds. It's the constant up and down, on-off sounds that you hear from this. Not super loud, but it's constantly changing. The guys kind of get annoyed by it. So we've had our Atlas Copco compressor air system in place for about 5 months now, running 20 hours a day, around the clock, around the week. And so far, this thing's still just as sexy and badass as it was when we first got it. So in all, I give this thing a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. It's efficient, it's compact. The scheduling system allows it to have it up and running before the machinists even get into the morning. And Mike no longer has to save the day using his pancake air compressor. That's a win-win. If you are in the market for a new air system, I highly recommend checking out Atlas Copco's compressed air systems. They outperform any other compressed system on the market. And don't forget to see if you qualify for energy credits for your upgrade.